Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can find and use trending audio on TikTok. Well, there's a number of ways that you can do it. And there's different ways you have to find trending audio, whether you have a professional TikTok account or a regular TikTok account. Now, one of the easiest, most tried and true methods to use trending audio on TikTok is to simply explore TikTok. See what is trending. You can scroll until you find a specific song that is being used for a video. In this case, it's the Addams Family theme song, which I can't play for you on YouTube, but I'm gonna click on that song in the bottom corner and you'll see here, this is great. There are 786,000 posts made using this theme song. So hey, this gives me a good metric for what songs are actually trending on TikTok. And if I like something, I like a trend and I see that the engagement is strong, then I can use that sound and maybe follow that trend. So from here, I can either click on the ribbon to add to favorites or I can use this sound. Very simple. Another way of finding songs on TikTok, if you're not using a professional account, is to simply go to the live creation view here that I have up here. And then you'll see at the top here, I can add a sound. From here, I can look at the options for me. These are just some specific songs that I guess I've been playing a lot lately. That's cool. I can look at any favorites. If I favorited them with the ribbon, I can go to recent songs that I've looked up recently, and then you can use the search function. And here I can search for any sound. If I know the name of a sound that I want to do, I can use that. But then you'll see I have the option to discover more sounds. Now this is really, really great because it shows you what is viral on TikTok. It shows you the charts for the songs that are most often played. So hey, you'll see here that Tame Impala song is the most listened to song on TikTok in the last few days. So this is the song that I'm gonna use to create my video. Here I have all these different options, these different sounds. I can look at new music, I can look by genre, I can look at what's viral in specifically my country as well if I wanna get specific. It is really, really handy. I can even make my own sound. If you have a video or an MP3 file or something like that, you can import your sound and start making your own sounds. That's fun. But hey, what if you have a professional TikTok account? Now there are some songs that are gonna be off limits to you because they are in violation of copyright, like that Addams Family song for me. So what do? You go onto TikTok here. I got my TikTok open and you'll see I have the add sound at the top here. I'm going to click on that. From here, it's going to take me to the commercial sound section of the TikTok library. So here I can look at all the songs that are being released. It's super helpful. In the commercial sounds menu, I can sort by genre, recommended. I can even go to the TikTok playlists here and I can look at viral TikTok songs that are currently being played. So there you have it. That's the best way to explore and find trending audio on TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. We have tons of great content coming your way all the time.